Yo, it's Thomas Anthony from Fancy FOXX Music. And where have I been for the last month or so? I haven't been on YouTube, haven't been posting any videos. The last video that I posted was a remake of Xylan Pack, and I was remaking a bass house track. And I took a little bit of break to just refocus, recenter on what I've been doing, especially with the music business kind of thing, and getting a whole bunch of tracks in line to be released because the floodgates are opening. They have opened yesterday. I just released a bootleg of Sean Paul's Get Busy in this new style. It's called MOOMBAHOUSE. It's something I'm super proud of. It's something I've just kind of crafted myself. It combines like super sexy Moomba grooves with bass house sounds, and then the second drop is more 4/4, and of course it's got some sexy ass vocal chops over top. So next week, I will have a full video breakdown of how to remix a song, how I remix this whole song from start to finish, and really explaining that whole process, because I know lots of people, they love getting bootlegs or making bootlegs, and it's a fun thing to do. This song took me a couple days to just kind of figure out and to kind of do, and it was a quick little project, and I just want to share that whole process with you guys. But the other things that I've been working on has been my mentoring program. It has been going off. Like, I'm just rammed up. Rammed up, that sounds weird. I'm just rammed up with people just wanting consultation calls, and I have been selecting the cream of the crop, the ones who are the most hardworking, the ones who are just really hungry to get their music career to the next level. And I started working with so many clients, and we've been getting results, and that's what I've been focusing on the last little bit. And I'm reopening this up in the next month or so. So there's an application down below to join my mentoring program, and we'll set up a consultation call. I'll see where you're at and where you want to go, and we'll figure out a plan, and then from there we can choose to work together or not. So that's what I've been focusing on. I've been getting releases ready, I've been getting tracks ready, I've been just getting everything, mixes, promo, materials, everything ready, and it's just about to be released. Well, yesterday it was technically released, so it's going to be released. And the floodgates are open. Next month I have another original out, then I have 2 remixes coming out the following month after that, and then 3 more covers after that, and had to just go back into the fat cave and really just get some work done with music. So I'm back, baby. There's going to be new videos every week. I've really been analyzing what your guys' strengths are, what your guys' weaknesses are, where most people are having troubles, and I'm going to be tailoring the videos to kind of towards that. I've talked about a whole ton of stuff of marketing over the last year, and all that is super relevant, and I'd encourage you to go back and check that out if you need some help with marketing. But the main thing that I've been finding with students and clients and mentors is that people need to have a polished product, an amazing, interesting song before you can begin to market it. Now, this is what I want to help you with. Check out the link in the description for my mentoring program. It's called Thomas Anthony Mentoring. Fill out the form. We'll set up a one-on-one consultation, figure out where you're at, where you want to go, and go from there. And this is going to be the quickest way to you to jumpstart your music career, get that badass music flowing from someone who is releasing on dope labels, and it's just I just love helping people. It actually makes me so happy. I get so energized after calls, and I'll keep you accountable, and I'll keep you on task, and I'll keep you kicking ass. That didn't mean to rhyme, but that worked out nicely. All right, next week, got the track breakdown, and I'll see you then. Peace. Yo, Miss Jody and the one named Rebecca, yo, better I think take and yo, can I take and up, better I think take and yo, bass and